Ayan na. Ang ating ampalaya na may itlog at may sili. Ampalaya, ginisa sa bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, with egg. Nilagyan ko ng sili. Alright. Thank you once again. Shout out to all the Love Lines Galaxy of Super Lobsters, to the One Family, Abs Family, and Now Family. And super stickers to all my subscribers, to all the viewers. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone. Ito yung sinasabi ko yun. O, diba? May pang cover up. Halisin muna natin yan. Tapos ipapasok ko na tong kanin. And then, cover siya. Oh, masaya, diba? Nakaset ko na doon. Naka-on na ba to? Ayan, switch on. And then, tama na dyan sa medium low. Ikutin na natin yan. Right. Ayan. Kailangan ko na appetizer. Yung daing nabisugo. Okay, tara, let's eat.